Crafters, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and let me tell you about an exciting event that starts September 1st. If you're a member of my Facebook group, you've probably already seen the announcement for Fairy Wings and Forgotten Things. If you're not a member, the link will be down in the description box where you can come over and join myself and 10 other designers and paper crafters as we have a complete month of fun going on a fairy scavenger hunt. Starting today, August 24th, there will be 6 kits that are available from the 6 designers in this collaboration. There's myself, Lottie's Magic Attic, Tea Garden Paper Crafts, Chaos's Creation, Emily Designs, Peach Domino Paper Crafts, and It's a Crafty Life. We've each designed 6 different kits that you can find in our shops. There will be a link tree down in the description box that has the link to all of our shops, and these kits will be on sale from now until the end of the event, September 30th, at 50% off. They may already be in our shops on sale. If they're not, you can use the code FAIRYWINGS50 to get that 50% off. In that link tree, you'll find links to all of our shops, and you'll also find links to one of our other social medias where we will be hosting weekly freebies throughout the month of September. These freebies will start August 31st. They will be on Sundays. They will run. The last freebie will be on Sunday, September 21st. So be sure to check out those links where those freebies can be found, and follow all of these designers in their social media platforms. There's also 5 other paper crafters that will be helping us along the way as we go on this fairy adventure. At the end of the event, there will be prizes from myself, Lottie's Magic Attic, Tea Garden Paper Crafts, and Emily Designs. Let me take a minute and introduce you to our guide. Our fairy scholar for this event is Professor Fernscribe. Dr. Fernscribe has walked the misted edges where human maps fade and fairy trails begin. An anthropologist by training and an adventurer by temperament, she has spent a lifetime seeking the hidden folk, not as a myth, but as a living culture. From the wild coast of the Outer Isles to moonlit groves deep in the heartland, Dr. Fernscribe records the songs, customs, and intricate politics of the realms few dare to enter. Armed with a notebook and a weathered satchel and an unshakable belief that stories are truths in disguise, she travels between worlds on the strength of invitation alone. Some say she once danced in the court of the Willow Queen. Others claim she returned from the hollow hills carrying secrets that hum in her bones. Over the next 4 weeks, she has formed a collaboration of guides that will guide you through the world of the Fae in search of secrets and to the magic that awaits for those that are willing to listen. Fairy Wings and Forgotten Things is a collaboration that will be a scavenger hunt style hop. You will need to follow along with the calendar and find each one of your fairy guides each day. They will be showing you a daily token that goes along with the scavenger hunt. These guides will be showing you these on their social medias. It could be here on YouTube. It might be Facebook, Instagram. So be sure that you check out the link in the description box for where you can find all of these guides. On YouTube, look out for this image as your thumbnail. It could help guide you to the videos along the way. During our quest, there's a few challenge rules. There will be 3 prizes awarded at the end of the quest. To enter, you gather the items needed from the prompt list. Each day, a collaborator will share that day's fairy token along with their take on the prompt on their social media. Again, you'll need to find where their social media is. This is part of your scavenger hunt. We have given you clues with our link trees and our calendars, but it will be your job to find these guides. You will need to find that day's collaborator from the event calendar or the link tree. And then there are 2 ways to enter. The first one is to collect the daily fairy tokens and place them on the correct day on the game board. Post a picture of your completed game board in the Forgotten Things album in Lottie's Magic Attic Facebook group. There is only 1 entry per person with this option. Option 2, post a picture of each completed prompt project in the correct album in Lottie's Magic Attic Facebook group. The albums will be labeled by day, not by prompt name. You will need to find each day's token from the fairy guides to know the correct album they go in. You may start working on the prompts in any order you wish. Projects can be any paper crafting item you like, but must be a physical project, no digital projects, and no AI projects. 1 entry per prompt. So, you technically could have 31 entries into this challenge. 1 through your completed fairy game board, and 30 if you did all 30 days worth of prompt projects. All entries must be posted by midnight Eastern Standard Time, October 1st. All entries will then be put in a wheel of names, which is a random name picker, and 3 winners will be chosen. The winners will be announced on October 5th here on my YouTube channel. Let's talk a little bit about the challenge and what you'll need to complete this challenge. On my Ko-fi shop, the link is down in the description box, you can get your fairy game board that has all the days of the month, your fairy tokens, which you then cut out, watch the collaborators, and you'll know where to glue them on place to your game board. There's a backing map that you can print on the back of your game board if you would like. You'll also get the instructions and rules and a PDF version of this calendar that has the clickable links for all the fairy guides. The last thing that you'll get in my Ko-fi shop, again, this is all a free download, is this prompt list. There are 30 different prompts that go along with your fairy tokens. There's a little example beside the prompt that kind of tells you a little bit about what we had in mind when we were thinking of this prompt. The fairy swing, the example would be add an item to your project that adds movement. And then the list goes down for all 30 of your items. Your guides will give you their take on these prompts. You do not have to do the exact thing they do. You can take these prompts and adjust them to how you think they fit. The last thing I wanted to tell you is while we have 6 kits and the freebies each week, fairies come in all shapes, sizes, and many different worlds. So there are plenty of things you can find to be able to work with these fairy prompts. They don't have to be our kits. If you want to follow along with the fairy guides, they will be using the kits and the freebies, so be sure to go over and grab those. But if you have other fairy items in your stash that you want to use, feel free to use those also. Let's talk a little bit about where you'll find things in my Facebook group. In the featured section of the Facebook group, I've already started posting things that will help you along the way with this quest. So be sure before you ask any questions in the Facebook group to go over to the featured section and look at all the posts that have to do with the Fairy Wings and Forgotten Things event before you ask questions. To post your entries, also in my Facebook group, you're going to look for albums. If you're on a mobile or if you're on a desktop, it might be a little different, but you're going to look for the word albums, and then you've got two things you're looking for. You're going to look for the album that's Fairy Wings, Forgotten Things, Scavenger Hunt, Game Boards, and at the end of the event, in the comments of this photo in that album, you're going to post the picture of your completed game board. The second way to enter is your daily quest records. There are 31 photos in this album. The first one is just to tell you a little bit about how to post in this album. The other 30 are each labeled from day 1 to day 30, and that's where you're going to need to post your prompt projects, and they need to be in the correct day. If you post them in a day that's not where they belong, your entry will not count. You have to follow along with the collaboration, collect the fairy tokens, so you'll know where your prompts go. So I hope you'll come join myself, Professor Fernscribe, and the rest of the collaborators as we embark on our fairy scavenger hunt adventure. It is going to be a lot of magical fun. And I'd love it if you'd leave me a comment down in the comment section and let me know if you plan on coming over and joining us for Fairy Wings and Forgotten Things. Be sure to hit that subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I put up any new content. And I hope to see you over in the Addicts Facebook group as we embark on our adventure. So until I see y'all again here in the attic or on our adventure quest, until next time, y'all take care.